founder of Switch Echo, Mr. Akshay sir. Sir, I would like to know how was your experience with the Lucky Bot today?
Hi, Sayed. Good morning. Good morning, Prospero team. I think this has been one of the experience from my startup journey. It took us literally 30 minutes to do a photo shoot along with this product and the robo, because the kind of traction this has gained in for 30 minutes that we could not have it. We had to have a couple of people to move so that we can do a shoot. And the best part is we could promote the product easily, and it was giving the message that we wanted to, and the traction that it was needed. A lot, definitely. Yes. The kind of traction you've not got in 3 days, you would have got it but as a single place.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for the Prospero team for giving us this opportunity.